In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your keyboard. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, tap on Additional Settings, Language and Input, Manage Keyboards, and finally Gboard over here. Now click on Corrections and Suggestions, scroll down and tap on gray switcher next to Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Quick tip, if you ever wanna get access to the same settings, now you can use Suggestion Strip by clicking on gear icon over here and tap on Corrections and Suggestions instantly instead of going through devices settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!